Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, 746 on your Wednesday. Still tracking some rainfall, hanging on. That rain is primarily, though, for the southern half of the state. Here in Lexington and neighboring communities right now, well, the rain has moved out. It's cloudy, though, and we may get an occasional sprinkle or a patch or two of some drizzle, but nothing measurable is falling here and points to the north. That's all to the south. And you can see some additional showers are moving out of Bowling Green and Glasgow, and they're already moving into Adair and Russell counties as we speak. That will continue to ride right along the Cumberland Parkway and then downstream eventually along the Hal Rogers Parkway. Farther to the north, there are some sprinkles going across Indiana. We may see a few of those move back into the Bluegrass region as we head a little bit later on this morning. But really, the best rain chance from here out is going to be south of I-64. Let's look back and see how much rain we picked up in the last 24 hours. Here across the Bluegrass region of the state, most are near a ½ inch or a little bit above. Farther to the south we go, about the same, between close to a ½ inch and 3/4 of an inch, with some local spots nearing an inch. Down toward Wayne and Russell counties, I wouldn't be shocked with that next wave of rain back over toward Columbia and Adair County as it moves east. That could tick Russell and Wayne counties up to an inch before it's all said and done here. Out in far east Kentucky, some gauges still closer to about 1/4 of an inch. But again, with some more rain moving in, those numbers will likely climb. Can you spot the cold front? Yeah, you can easily. We go from 60 in Morgan County and 59 still in Menifee, but down to 48 in Fayette County, 47 in Franklin County. So cooler air is working its way east with that front and will continue through the day. Showers are continuing, as you see there, into the Somerset area. Here in Lexington, overcast, but no rain at the moment. Same story in Paris and Richmond. Again, it's farther south where we're finding that last little push of some rain that's going to continue. See that next little batch? Once this back near Bowling Green and Glasgow keeps moving eastbound, we're drier. Now, there's another little wave of rain just to the south and west of Nashville. That may try to ride up along the front and move back into southern and southeast Kentucky, but it is definitely getting cooler. And that 40 range is still lingering way back to the west. Everyone westbound's in the 40s. This model tries to paint some additional showers later into the afternoon. We could see that into even the evening, but then we trend drier during the day tomorrow. That's nice with some sunshine coming back. Today, I think we're going to struggle to get back to even 60. I think most of us are in the 50s into the afternoon, and most of the showers that are around are this morning and in southern Kentucky. Tonight, it'll be chilly, 40s to low 50s when we wake up tomorrow morning. A spotty shower chance in the morning into southern Kentucky tomorrow with some afternoon sunshine and some scattered clouds still hanging on. Mix of sun and clouds Friday. Saturday, we'll start off with some morning showers. They exit by the afternoon. Mother's Day, some showers and some thunderstorms moving in into the afternoon and evening. Then another drop into the temperatures back into the 60s on Monday. Stick around. We're back after the break.